Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Don't let it go, let it go. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own individual lashes at home, okay? Lash extensions are so expensive, okay? They could run you from like $60 to $100 depending on how you want to do it. And of course I'm the DIY queen, so I'm going to be using the Kiss Ever Easy Lashes Medium Combo Trio Lash. So this set, I'll have it on the screen, is going to give you guys a super natural look, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look for a fraction of the price. Today's video is going to be a voiceover because I wasn't really sure exactly how this was going to turn out, and I didn't really want to talk through it because I myself didn't even know how this was going to work. So let's just get right on into the video. Alrighty, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the different size lashes we have. We have medium and we have small. So we're going to start off with the medium size and we're going to work from the outside of the lash in. Go ahead and dip that little piece of lash into the glue and try to figure out which angle we're going to go ahead and place the lash. Now this part can get a little bit tricky, especially for me. I had a little bit of a trouble trying to figure out what angle is the best way to place these lashes. As you guys can see, I'm kind of trying to do it from the top now, and later on you'll see that I start to do it from the bottom. But yeah, you're just gonna have to bear with me. Eventually I will figure out the best way to put it on. Yeah, I still didn't get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the third time and try to overhand place it, as you guys can see, and kind of use my fingers to adjust it. And there we have it. I'm kind of just playing around with it to see where is the best placement and squeezing it together with my natural lash to make sure it is in the perfect location. Now moving on to the next piece, I'm grabbing another medium-sized lash. Gonna go ahead and dip that in the glue, wave it around a little bit so that it gets a little bit sticky before I place it. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing, line it up right next to the lash that we just put down before. You definitely want to go ahead and take your time with this. Make sure you're getting the perfect placement before the glue dries because you don't want no crooked lashes, sis, okay? You don't. So I'm just going to keep doing this. This is going to be my third medium-sized piece, and I'm just going ahead and layering that next to the other two that we have done before. Okay, so this is going to be the fourth medium-sized piece we're going to use, and this is the last medium-sized one we're going to use before we go ahead and move on to the shorter size pieces. Alrighty, so moving on to the shorter size pieces. This is going to get super repetitive. As you guys can see, I'm just placing the lash right next to where I left off and adjusting it, you know, kind of smashing it together just to get a nice seamless look. So far, so good, you guys. This application process is super easy, and I think it's great that they come in like a trio so that you don't have to apply each individual lash, but you still get the eyelash extensions appeal and look. So we're getting pretty close to finishing up this eye. I'm just applying a couple more of the short lashes towards the inner part of the eye just to make it look really seamless and natural. You don't want any gaps, and you don't want to go too close to the inner portion of the eye either. So just make sure you get it in the perfect location. And we're going to just put one more. I think this is going to be the very last one to finish up the eye. And as you guys can see, it's pretty close to the innermost part, but it's not all the way over there. Okay, so this eye is complete. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how many of the lashes I used. I used 4 medium and 4 short to do one eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna speed right through this and just fast forward it so you guys don't get too bored, but I'm gonna do the exact same thing, so bear with me. If you made it this far in the video, do me a favor and comment down below what you want me to give away for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We are super close to 2,000 subscribers, so please let me know what you guys want to get because I need to go cop that for y'all. This is the finished product. I am so proud of it. It looks amazing. Okay, you guys, and that is the end of the video. This is my final outcome. I'm really happy how it turned out. It looks really natural, and this is exactly what I was going for. I didn't want anything too thick or too dramatic because I do wear false lashes when I'm going for a more glam look, so I can throw some strip lashes on top of these if I wanted to, but honestly, it is the perfect amount of lash for me. You guys should definitely check out the Kiss individual lash packages. You can get them at your local drugstores like CVS, Walgreens, that kind of stuff. And you guys can also check out your local beauty supply store so that you guys can get your hands on these. So you can get the same exact kit that I got from Kiss for $4.99 at Ulta. It's showing that online right now, and at Bed Bath & Beyond and the other drugstores it's showing up for like $5.50. So yes, these are really affordable, and it's a lot easier than doing it with the individual strands because they come in the little trios. We're gonna see how long these last. I will definitely come back and give you guys an update on my eyelash extensions, individual lashes, whatever you want to call these. I will update you guys on how long they last. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do another set using actual individual lashes, because now that I've done this, I'm pretty confident that I can do like the actual individual lashes myself, like the full-on mink, you know, individual hairs. I think I could do that. Do you like how they turned out? Do you want me to make them a little bit more full? Let me know all that information in the comments down below. I have on 0 makeup in this video, and my lashes are just so bomb that I feel confident enough to not put any makeup on. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are super close to 2,000 subscribers if you guys haven't noticed. A lot of people have joined the family this week, this month. So welcome. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And make sure you share my videos with a friend so that everybody can be a part of the family. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video and you'll never miss a day. But other than that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and thank you so much for all of the recent love and support. I've really been feeling the love lately, and I'm so happy where my channel is going. So I just can't wait to see how far we take this thing, okay? This family is growing, and I just can't wait to just grow even more and reach 50K. I feel like once I reach 50K, nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? I'm a YouTuber, period. So thank you guys again, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.
I would love you anyway, even if I cannot stay. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you want to be. I just want satisfied. 'Cause you're not mine, I can't deny it.